Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to My Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make these super easy, super delicious, super crispy air fryer chicken wings. First we're going to start off cooking them sous vide and then we'll finish them off in our Ninja Foodi grill. But you can use any air fryer that you have. First, we're going to start off by seasoning our chicken wings and giving them some nice flavor. I have sprayed all of the wings with some olive oil, and now I am seasoning the chicken with some Grill Mates Montreal chicken seasoning, some garlic salt, cayenne pepper, and paprika. Once you've seasoned the first side, go ahead and turn them over and season the other side. Now I'm transferring the chicken wings to a gallon size Ziploc freezer bag. I'm going to use this instead of my vacuum sealer today. So we have some different options on how we want to cook our chicken, and I'm going to cook at 176 degrees today, and it's going to take about an hour. So the JOULE is going to preheat our water, and it'll let us know when it's time to cook. So now it's time to cook, so we're going to go ahead and add in our chicken wings. Now I left the Ziploc bags open, and the water is actually going to push out the excess air, and it's going to act like a little light vacuum seal. So once the water has pushed out the air, I am going to go ahead and seal up the bag. Make sure that chicken is fully submerged, and now it's time to cook. And once the chicken is done cooking, this is what it will look like. It's completely cooked, but it's not crispy yet. We're going to leave that to our air fryer. So go ahead and preheat your Ninja. And once it's preheated, we are going to add our chicken. So at this point, we are just cooking for crispiness and color, so the time will vary on your desired crispiness. But this is what my chicken was looking like after about 7-8 minutes, I want to say. And I thought it was good to go. So it's time to plate it up and eat it up. I served this very crispy and flavorful chicken with my ooey gooey easy baked macaroni and cheese. Did you watch this video the other day? If you didn't, why not? If you missed it, I will link the video up above and down below. You've got to watch it. It's easy and delicious. So, what did you think of this video recipe? Well, if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, as it really does help out my channel. And if you're here and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and tap that button and click that bell so you know every time I upload a new video. As always, thanks so much for watching, and remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye!